Welcome to RidgeLife. I'm Tim.
I'm Jen.
And today on RidgeLife's Reviews and How-Tos, we are honored to try out some new BRUNT work boots. Jenn Jenn needed to get some work done on the ridge.
I do.
BRUNT's taking care of her. I've got BRUNT's Welted Marin 6-inch waterproof boot. She's got the 6-inch Marin, the original, most popular style. We're gonna show you all the details about them, try them on, and get some work done today.
Oh yeah.
Let's do this. Start off with Jenn's 6-inch Marin. Again, these are their most popular brand. And this, on the box, it says this is not a shoe box, this is a toolbox, because these are workwear, not just shoes. We'll open it up, we can see some quality materials. We got a BRUNT Workwear sticker. All right, guys, put that on your toolbox now. We also have this BRUNT work cloth. Nice canvas work cloth, says BRUNT right there on the fact. Get your hands dirty and get them clean. Looking inside the box, first thing we see, are these boots too snug? Well, they've got an adjustable width system, guys. Automatically out of the box, they fit regular D. And if you adjust them by pulling out the two pieces, you can go to a relaxed fit E with ease. That's E with ease, guys. 1, 2, 3, very easy to do. Don't forget to take a scan of the QR code to get some free stuff. Now let's go on deeper and look what we have inside the box. We've got these beautiful Marin boots. Again, these are the women's. Men's will be very similar in the 6-inch standard waterproof. But these are Jenn Jenn's, and look how gorgeous these boots look. We're gonna let her try them on in a minute, but first we're gonna go over all the specs, and let's open up the Welted as well, but let's go over the specs of the standard 6-inch Marin. Jenn Jenn's Marin boots are breathable. They have a waterproof membrane and waterproof leather to lock out that moisture and keep your feet dry. They also have the industry-leading rubber outsole, oil and slip resistant, high heat resistant, up to 572 degrees Fahrenheit, 300 degrees C. They are electrical hazard rated, provides that secondary source of protection for that accidental contact with live electrical circuits. Barnyard-resistant leather helps resist the damaging effects of oleic acid, sodium chloride, and ammonium hydroxide. Don't get into that stuff, guys, but if you do, these boots can take care of you. BRUNT leathers are sourced from USA, Texas. Steer! Go Texas! The highest quality hides available. America, baby. Pass-through or wrap-around lace hooks with heavy-duty eyelets there on the laces. Reinforced double and triple stitching at the stress points. Outsole and midsole, they do meet ASTM D4706903 oil and isoctane chemical resistant standard. They also do the ASTM F2913-19 Satra and the ASTM F167796 Mark II for non-slip testing standards, guys. These are some awesome, awesome boots. Want to talk about comfort? These have a nylon shank for additional mid-foot support. They have the polyurethane midsole, which made by BRUNT is longer lasting and provides superior cushioning and support compared to a standard EVA midsole. The premium BRUNT cushion insoles feature a non-stick top layer and a memory foam mid layer and a cushy bottom layer with an anti-odor treatment. Built-in adjustable width. That's right, guys. Remember, you can remove the gray insert from below your insole and your boot goes from a regular D fit to a relaxed double fit E. High quality cemented construction offers comfort and flexibility right out of the box, and the lightweight size 9 single boot weight is 1 pound 14 ounces. That's some nice boots, guys. Don't forget, BRUNT Workwear, 100% free shipping. And they also offer a 30-day, no questions asked return policy. If these things don't fit or you don't like them for any reason, they'll take them back, no problem, but we'll get you in the right workwear. Jenn Jenn looking good in her BRUNT work boots. How do they feel?
They're very comfortable.
All right, you ready to get some work done in them?
I'm ready.
All right, let's see you walk away in them. Now that's some work boot, guys. Woo! Woo! Now for the Welted Marin, guys. Same quality boot with a little extra features. Weigh a little bit more due to the features we add at 2 pounds, 3 ounces for the size 9. They have Goodyear ultra durable welts. Guys, these are resolable for extra long life. The outer lugs are deep. They give you extra traction. And guys, look at this padded upper. Very, very nice on the ankle. I'm looking forward to wearing these boots to work. One more feature I just noticed on my BRUNT Welted Marins that I am absolutely in love with. Check this out, guys. The laces, the latches right here, you can go around the outside like a standard work boot, but they also have holes for the aglets to go through. Slide the aglet through in and they're permanently in, and you can tighten them back up. Never have to worry about them coming unlatched around the catch there. Loving my boots. These things are so comfortable. I am ready to get to work. How you feeling on yours, girl?
Very, very, very comfortable.
We can actually, hey, we are from the Mid-South. We can go out on the town on these.
Oh yeah.
I ain't got no problem with that. You may be wondering where the term Marin came from, because they're not Mariner boots. The founder of the company, Eric, had a good buddy named Matt Marin. He was a carpenter, and he was always on the lookout for some good, well-constructed, long-lasting, comfortable boots. And he really couldn't find them. You know, they're expensive out there, right? Well, Eric worked with Matt on developing the Marin and the Marin Welted. And guys, these are an economical, American-owned, U.S.-bred steer leather. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. You want some really comfortable boots? The Marin boots by BRUNT are the boots you're going to want. I know that. You like yours?
Yes, I love them.
You ready to get to work out there, girl?
Let's do it.
We've been hemming and hawing and talking all day long, and we've got land to clear and things to do here on the ridge. So if you want to see these in operation, in work, go check out RidgeLife. Make sure you subscribe to RidgeLife. Hit that notification bell. This is RidgeLife Reviews and How-Tos. You better be subscribed to it as well. More good products from BRUNT coming soon. So until next time, hope everyone has a blessed day, and go RidgeLife. Don't forget, if you want to look like Steve Irwin, do the shorts and socks. Booyah!